Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay, are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in civic education, we're going to be looking at intercommunal relationship. Okay? Our topic for today in civic education is on intercommunal relationship. So are we ready for the lesson? In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at characteristics of communal relationship and skills that promote intercommunal relationship. Okay? First, let's know the meaning of intercommunal relationship. Intercommunal relationship refers to the interactions, connections, and collaborations between different communities or groups within a society. Okay? Intercommunal relationship means how different groups in a community interact and get along. It involves fostering positive engagement, understanding, and mutual respect among individuals from diverse backgrounds, contributing to a sense of unity and shared values across various communities. Okay? Do you understand? Intercommunal relationship means how different groups in the community interact and get along. It's about building positive connections and understanding between diverse communities within a society. So let's look at characteristics of communal relationships. Communal relationships are marked by 1. Shared values. Members of the community have common beliefs and principles that create a sense of unity. Okay? Everyone shares similar beliefs and ideas, common values. Do you understand? Mutual respect. There's a recognition and appreciation for the perspectives and contributions of each individual within the community. People treat each other with kindness and value each other's opinions, respect for all. Okay? Another characteristic, sense of belonging. People feel connected and a part of the community, fostering a shared identity and commitment. Okay? Everyone feels like they belong and are part of the group, feeling connected. Open communication. Transparent and effective communication is encouraged, promoting understanding and reducing potential misunderstandings. Okay, this is another characteristic. People communicate well, being honest and clear with each other. Collaboration. Communities work together towards common goals, emphasizing cooperation and collective efforts. Okay, teamwork. Everyone works together for common goals, helping each other out. All these are characteristics of communal relationship. Okay? Cultural understanding. Another characteristics. Members appreciate and respect the cultural diversity present within the community, fostering inclusivity. People respect and appreciate the different cultures within the community, okay? Understanding differences. Supportive environment. There is a willingness to provide assistance and support to fellow community members during challenging times. Another characteristic, helpful atmosphere. There's a willingness to support each other, especially during tough times. Conflict resolution. Mechanisms are in place to address conflicts constructively, maintaining harmony within the community. Solving problems together, that's what this means. Another characteristic, if there is any issue, People find ways to fix it while keeping things positive. Shared responsibility. Individuals collectively take responsibility for the well-being and progress of the community. Everyone pitches in to make sure the community is doing well. Another characteristics of communal relationship. Okay, celebration of diversity. Another characteristics. Differences are celebrated, contributing to a rich and vibrant community tapestry. People celebrate and enjoy the fact that everyone is different in their own way, enjoying diversity. So all these are characteristics of communal relationship. Okay, do we understand? Now let's look at skills that promote intercommunal relationship. Skills for getting along with others, with other communities. Okay, communication skills. Ability to express thoughts clearly and listen actively, bridging gaps in understanding. Okay, speak to others to understand. Speak so others understand and listen well. Talk clearly. Cultural competence. Awareness and understanding of diverse cultures, fostering respect for differences. Learn about cultures. Understand and respect different customs and traditions. Do you understand? Empathy. Capacity to understand and share the feelings of others, promoting a sense of connection. Be understanding, okay? Try to feel and understand what others are going through. Conflict resolution. Skills to address disagreements constructively and find common ground. Do you understand that that is another skill also? Fix problems together, figure out disagreements in a positive way. Collaboration. Working effectively with individuals from different backgrounds towards shared goals. Okay, team up. You learn to collaborate. That's another skill. Work with people from different backgrounds towards common goals. All these are skills that promote intercommunal relationship. Open-mindedness. Being respectful of new ideas and perspectives, fostering an inclusive mindset. Okay, you stay open to ideas, be open-minded and accepting of different viewpoints. Adaptability. Flexibility in adjusting to diverse situations and accommodating various viewpoints. Be flexible, adapt to different situations and be open to change. Do you understand? Patience. Tolerance and patience in dealing with challenges, allowing for constructive dialogue. Okay? Stay patient, keep calm and tolerant, especially during challenges. Tolerance, acceptance of differing opinions and beliefs without judgment. Accept differences, respect others even if they have different opinions or beliefs. Social awareness, being attuned to social dynamics and understanding the impact of actions on others. Okay? Be aware of others. Pay attention to how your actions affect people around you. Do you understand? So these are skills that promote intercommunal relationship, okay? Remember we said intercommunal relationship means how different groups in a community interact and get along. So having these skills, it promotes intercommunal relationship. Do you understand? So today's lesson on intercommunal relationship, we understood everything we looked at, right? We looked at characteristics of communal relationship, and we also looked at skills that promote intercommunal relationship. So we understood everything we talked about in today's lesson. So I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignment, right? Okay, that is good.